Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this makeup traveling case from WANGSELECT. This is the perfect makeup case to take on vacation, to keep your daily makeup when traveling out of the house. First, it has a pop-up mirror with a very bright LED light on the outside edge. The LED has 3 temperatures, which ensures that you have the perfect makeup application. It also comes with slots to insert your makeup brushes, as well as additional beauty tools like tweezers, eyebrow trimmers, and a mirror compact. And one of the mirrors on this compact is like a 10 times magnified, and it's definitely the most magnified mirror I own. It gets me right up very close to my face. Now the bottom half is where you store your makeup, and it has removable dividers to help you organize your makeup. So there is a lot of space to hold everything at the bottom. I like to mix and match the dividers to make more room while still keeping what I need to keep separate. This is really such a great gift idea for loved ones, especially if you have any younger family members or friends who enjoy makeup and maybe they're looking for the perfect makeup case. Maybe when they travel, like me, you can't always guarantee that you have a light-up mirror to help you illuminate your face. So that's where this makeup case comes in. It is sure to be a hit. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.